from PNG to Solomon Islands. One love across the ocean. Met you under the island, sun so bright. Your smile shining like the morning light. From the Solomon's beauty so true. Now my whole world revolves around you. I'm a PNG boy with a simple dream. Never knew love could feel like this, it seems. Across the ocean, but close in my heart. From the very first day we never apart. Even though the sea runs wide and long, your love makes me feel so strong. Oh girl, you're my everything, my island queen, my melody. From Solomon shores to PNG, your love is all I need. Oh baby, can't you see? You're the only one for me. Across the ocean, strong and true, my whole life belongs to you. Late night calls till the morning light, talking about our future, holding tight. Different islands but the same heartbeat. Your love makes my life complete. Your voice like a sweet reggae song, playing in my head all day long. No matter the distance or time apart, you're always living inside my heart. Every wave that hits the shore just reminds me I love you more. Oh girl, you're my everything, my island queen, my melody. From Solomon shores to PNG, your love is all I need. Oh baby, can't you see? You're the only one for me. Across the ocean, strong and true, my whole life belongs to you. One day I'll cross that ocean wide, stand right there by your side, hold your hand, never let go. Show the world our love will grow. No more distance, no more pain, just sunshine after the rain. Island love forever strong, together where we belong. Hey, one love, hey, island love. PNG to Solomon, rise above. My island queen, my melody. From Solomon shores to PNG, your love is all I need. Oh baby, now I know I will never let you go. Across the ocean, near or far, forever mine. That's what you are.